The Courageous Kitten. Once in a cozy house, there was a little kitty named Mittens. Mittens was very brave and loved to play. One sunny day, Mittens was exploring the backyard when it heard a tiny squeak coming from the bushes. Curious, Mittens crept closer and discovered a baby bunny all alone. The bunny looked scared and was too little to hop away. Mittens knew it had to help the bunny. It gently picked up the bunny in its mouth and carried it to a safe spot. Mittens stayed with the bunny, keeping it warm and protected until its mother came back. The bunny's mother hopped over and thanked Mittens for its kindness. Feeling proud of its bravery and grateful for the bunny's safety, Mittens knew that helping others, no matter how small, was an important part of being brave. From that day on, Mittens became the backyard protector. It kept an eye out for any animal in need and rushed to their rescue. It chased away pesky birds that bothered the squirrel's nuts, and even scared away a mischievous raccoon that tried to sneak into the garden. The animals in the backyard knew they could rely on Mittens to keep them safe. Mittens had become a hero in their eyes, and they showed their gratitude by leaving little treats for Mittens, like shiny pebbles and feathers. And so, Mittens continued to be a brave and caring friend to all the creatures in the backyard. It taught everyone that bravery means standing up for others, no matter how small, and that even a little kitty like Mittens could make a big difference in the lives of those around it. The end.